ब्रिटिश डिप्टी हाई कमिश्नर गैरेथ वैन ओवेन ने आज पुराने शहर में वाक़ई मखदूम ब्रदर्स का दौरा किया। उन्होंने अपने अरकान ख़ानदान के साथ शेरवानी, कुर्ते और कुछ और ड्रेसेस खरीदे। इस मौके पर उन्होंने मखदूम ब्रदर्स को लंदन में अपना कारोबार शुरू करने का इन्विटेशन दिया।
You should get one to get married. My wedding suit was very different.
In this, you should do it once again.
We should get married again.
Yes, again, yes.
Just
I'll talk to my wife about it. They're wonderful. Yeah, absolutely. The designs are out of this world.
Yes, definitely. He's my elder son.
Hi, Gareth.
So I have been in Hyderabad for nearly 2 years, and one of the things I really enjoy is the clothes shopping in Hyderabad, especially for male clothing as well. It's always had such a lovely range, and it's very, very different from the clothing I wear in the UK, and I really enjoy that whole different aspect of clothing here in Hyderabad. So it's fantastic to be at this brilliant store, trying on some different clothing and making myself look very smart, because it's quite clear from looking around the store, the range of clothing is fantastic. I wish I could wear one of these items every day. They are brilliant, they make you stand out, and they make you look very, very smart. So thank you very much for inviting me today.
Thank you.
This is the first time I visited Makhdoom Brothers store. It won't be the last. I look forward to coming back because the range of clothing is just out of this world. And what I really enjoy is how it fits really well, how comfortable it is. And whilst I know a lot of it is for special occasions, it is also stunning that, as I